Monitoring care robot. MAMORUNO. Installation. Just place it under the mattress and beside the bed, it's that simple. Because it doesn't require attaching sensors to the user's body, it can be used comfortably without resistance. Unlike camera-based monitoring devices, it protects privacy completely. Main functions. All data collected by MAMORUNO is stored securely in the cloud. Information in the cloud is visualized in the app. The application is available for download on both the App Store and Google Play. Let's log in now. Enter your ID and password to log in. Once logged in, you can see an overview of all facility users. Select a user to check vital signs such as heart rate and respiration, as well as room temperature and environmental data. Next, let's look at the health report. The health report visualizes sleep data in detailed graphs. By understanding sleep cycles, you can detect changes in condition more easily. Oh, it looks like a notification just came in. With the notification function, caregivers can provide timely assistance when needed. With the optional camera feature, you can instantly check the situation on site. Cameras are available in both wall-mounted and tabletop types. Other optional sensors are also available to match your facility's needs. A new style of monitoring care with MAMORUNO is right here. Data stored in the cloud can be shared not only within the facility but also with homes and other care locations. From a single platform, you can monitor across homes, facilities, and multiple sites. MAMORUNO.